major terror plot is being tracked by multiple probe agencies tracking the wider terror web involved in the Red Fort blast case. India Today now exposes a chilling serial blast conspiracy. The Delhi terror blast was codenamed D6. Sources say D6 may have been a double-layered operation. Plan A reportedly aimed for multiple serial blasts across cities on the 6th of December, the Babri Masjid demolition anniversary, to create nationwide chaos. And Plan A failed. Plan B was activated, a single high-impact suicide blast targeting Delhi 6. Authorities continue to investigate the possibility of this dual-coded operation. Key conspirators Dr. Shaheen and car bomber Dr. Omar engineered the operation, with Omar radicalizing young recruits for the suicide mission. Crucial details of the plot were recovered from Dr. Shaheen's diary.
Security agencies have launched an operation against Shaheen and Parvez. We are present in the state capital Lucknow at the Lal Bagh Girls Inter College. We are showing you the visuals of this college because Shaheen studied from this particular college as per the records registered in the Prayagraj Motilal Medical College, which shows that Shaheen did her intermediate and high school from the Lal Bagh Girls Inter College. This college is situated hardly 1 kilometer from her maternal home. That means the Lal Bagh Khandari Lane, where ATS team along with Jammu Kashmir Police reached and did interrogation for an hour of her brother Shoaib Ansari and father Parvez Ahmed Ansari. And this college, the school, is located hardly 1 kilometer from that particular spot, as you see in the visuals. This is the Girls Inter College, and Shaheen used to study here during the high school and 12th, though the school is saying that they'll fully cooperate with the security agencies and the police in this particular matter. With cameraman Gaurav Gupta, Samarth Srivastava for India Today.
Investigators believe Delhi blast bomber Omar may have been a shoe warmer. Sources say a metallic plate containing explosives is found in his footwear, with traces of the highly unstable TATP explosive, also known as Mother of Satan. TATP is known to detonate on impact or from heat, and evidence suggests it may have been used to trigger this blast. The explosive was reportedly found in the I-20 vehicle, indicating a high-risk improvised setup. Experts say the use of TATP highlights a desperate and dangerous approach given the instability of the material. The Delhi blast probe has entered a crucial phase. Bomber Omar's close aide Amir Rashid Ali, a resident of Kashmir, was arrested by the NIA on Sunday, who played a direct role in planning the attack. He was produced before Delhi's Patiala House Court, and the court has remanded him to 10-day NIA custody. Allegedly, he helped Omar purchase the I-20 car in Delhi, a vehicle registered under Amir's name, and is believed to have conspired with him to execute the blast. While speaking to India Today, terrorist Amir's lawyer revealed that there was no remorse on his face and that he accepted that the I-20 car was on his name. NIA is investigating the Delhi blast as a suicide attack. It's treating Dr. Omar Nabi as the suicide bomber. Remember, India Today was the first channel to report this hours after the blast that it was indeed a suicide attack. 13 doctors have been arrested in connection with the Delhi blast case.
जो ये पहला अरेस्ट है इस मामले में, टेरर लिंक्स हैं जो एनआईए क्लेम कर रहा है। जो अक्यूज आज कोर्ट के सामने प्रोड्यूस जब हुआ, क्या उस अक्यूज ने कोर्ट के सामने कुछ भी कहा? क्या कोर्ट के सामने कोई भी स्टेटमेंट दिया, कुछ भी कहा?
एक्चुअली अक्यूज ने कोर्ट के सामने कुछ नहीं कहा, बट मैंने पर्सनली अक्यूज से बात की थी। मुझे एक भी शिकन उसके चेहरे पर नजर नहीं आई। मुझे बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि कोई भी अफसोस कहीं से भी उसको है। तो ये बहुत शायद पक्के,
कोई किसी तरह की रिग्रेट कोई भी नहीं है।
आई फाइंड ऑन हिज फेस। मैंने उससे पूछा कि वो गाड़ी के आपके नाम पे रजिस्टर थी? ये सर यस, वो गाड़ी मेरे नाम पे रजिस्टर थी। उसने क्लियरली बोला कि मेरे नाम पे रजिस्टर थी, और इसके अलावा और कोई बातचीत नहीं हुई।
Meanwhile, Army Chief Upendra Dwivedi issued a strong warning to Pakistan, saying that Operation Sindoor is just the trailer. Picture abhi baki hai, is what he said. In fact, that statement from the Army Chief Upendra Dwivedi on Operation Sindoor also speaking volumes of how India is now keeping a hawk's eye really on Pakistan, also reiterating that Operation Sindoor is in continuum, given that the role of Pakistan, of course, with the involvement of Jaish is being explored here by the agencies looking into the Delhi blast case.
1.0 तो देखिए, मैं तो ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मूवी शुरू भी नहीं हुई थी, सिर्फ एक ट्रेलर दिखाया गया था और ट्रेलर के बाद 88 घंटे में वो ट्रेलर ख़त्म हो गया था। तो आगे आने वाले हालात कैसे होंगे, ये इसके बारे में हम पूरी तैयारी करके बैठे हुए हैं और अगर कोई ऐसा हमें मौका देता है पाकिस्तान, तो हम उसको भरपूर एक शिक्षा प्रदान करना चाहेंगे उसको कि कैसे एक जिम्मेवार नेशन को अपने पड़ोसियों से बिहेव करना चाहिए। सबसे पहले चीज़ ये है कि जो डिसीजन मेकिंग है या जो आपने निर्णय लेना है उसके लिए समय बहुत कम है और निर्णय आपको हर लेवल पे लेना पड़ेगा। क्या आप यहाँ पे निर्णय लें और फिर नीचे पास करें, नहीं हो सकता। तो हर लेवल पे, हर स्तर पे लोगों को समय के हिसाब से तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी और एक्शन लेने पड़ेंगे, कार्रवाई करनी पड़ेगी। दूसरी चीज़ जो इंटीग्रेशन बोलते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन का ये मतलब है कि चाहे आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स, सीएपीएफ, साइबर, स्पेस कोई भी हो, उसका इंटीग्रेशन हम जितना जल्दी करेंगे उतना हम इस लड़ाई को बड़े साझे ढंग से लड़ सकेंगे, क्योंकि आज की लड़ाई जो है वो मल्टी डोमेन है।